In the following, we shall guide you through how to transfer calendar from Android to iPhone differently. Each avenue is easy to follow and comes with step-by-step instructions. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the first solution. Part 1. How to transfer calendar from Android to iPhone with the professional program. Phone Transfer is one of the few third-party software on the market that can transfer calendars between Android and iPhone. It has the most advanced and cutting-edge firmware and technology. Part 2. How to transfer Android calendar to iPhone via Move to iOS. Android, download Move to iOS. iPhone, go to Settings, Apps, and Data. Select Move from Android, generate code. Input on Android. Connect phones to same Wi-Fi. Select Calendar, tap Next. Wait for transfer. Part 3. How to transfer Samsung or Android calendar to iPhone with Google Calendar. Get Google Calendar app on Android. Sync Android calendar with Google. On iPhone, go to Settings, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, add Google account, enable Calendar Sync. Android calendar syncs to iPhone.